So, good morning, all the students. Today, I am going to teach you class 4 computer subject chapter 1. I already written that is subject computer class 4 chapter 1. In this chapter, topic storage and memory device. Today I will discuss storage and memory device. Okay, so first, bit and bytes. Memory will store bit and bytes. What is bit and what is byte? Data in the computer are stored in the form of bits and bytes. A bits is the smallest unit of the data that can be stored in a computer. Clear? So 8 bits equal to 1 bytes. Computer will store the data 8 bits equal to 1 bits. Okay, so memory size, let me see. Memory size, it will be stored like that only. So 1 byte, clear? 1 byte equal to 8 bit, okay, or bits, okay, 8 bits. One byte equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 byte. Okay, 1024 bytes. That is the memory size. Okay, and 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobyte. Kilobytes. Okay, this is the memory size. So we can learn that is 1 bytes equal to 8 bits. Again, 1 kilobytes equal to 1024 bits. 1 megabytes equal to 1024 kilobytes. Clear? So this is the size. Then next it is that 1 GB, okay, gigabyte. One gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte. Megabyte. Okay, 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabytes. Okay, next it will come that is terabyte. Okay, it is called that short form, it is TB. Okay, terabyte. Terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte. Clear? So 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabytes. Okay. Next part, memory size, it is petabyte. Okay, petabyte. Petabyte means that is 1 petabyte equal to petabyte equal to 1024 terabyte. Terabytes. Okay, so again I am repeating that 1 byte equal to 8 bits, 1 kilobyte equal to 1020 bytes, 1 megabyte equal to 1020 kilobyte, and 1 gigabyte equal to 1020 megabyte, and 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabytes, and 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabytes. Okay, so this is the size of the memory. Memory can store like that. Okay, so now we'll go to the next part, that is type of computer memory. Okay, how many types of computer memory it is there. Okay, we will discuss different type of computer memory. So types of computer memory. Okay, types of computer memory. So there are two types of computer memory. How many types? There are two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, so computers memory are two types. Okay, computer memory has two types. First one, that is primary memory. Primary memory. Okay, and second one, secondary memory. Secondary memory. Clear? So there are two types of computer memory. First one, that is primary memory. Second one, secondary memory. Clear? So what is primary memory? First I will discuss what is primary memory. What is primary memory? Is the main memory of the computer. Primary memory is the main memory of the computers. It is internal memory that make the computer to function. Clear? So primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It is internal memory that make the computer to function. Clear? This is called primary memory. Okay, so primary memory also there are two types. Let me see. First one, RAM. Second one, first one RAM, second one ROM. Clear? So primary memory also there are two types. First one RAM, second one ROM. What is RAM? RAM is called as volatile memory also. The data will be lost when the computer is turned off. Clear? When the computer is turned off, data will be lost. Okay, so data and instruction are temporary in RAM. Clear? And it is that random access memory. Okay, it will be random access memory. Clear? So this is called RAM. And the next one, what is that? ROM. What is ROM? Read only memory. It is a non-volatile memory. The data store will remain even when the computer is turned off. Data and instruction are permanently in RAM. Clear? It refers to a special memory that boots the computer. ROM can only be read by the CPU. Clear? By the CPU. So this is the only read-only memory. Clear? And ROM also there are different type of ROM. Also it is there. Okay. So type of ROM, what is that? Read-only memory. There are different types. Okay. PROM. PROM means what is that? Programmable read-only memory. Okay. What is programmable? Once the data programs and written it cannot be changed. That is PROM. That is, what is that? PROM. Clear? PROM. It is called PROM, programmable read-only memory. Clear? Another also it is there, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Clear? EPROM. Data can be erased using the data can erase alternatives lights. Okay. So this is the erasable EPROM. And next one, what is that? EEPROM. 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 Okay. Erasable, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay. And for the next one, the EPROM, this is, there are three types, different types it is there. Okay. So there it is PROMs, EPROMs and EEPROM. Clear? EEPROMs means the data can be erased using the electrical signal. Data can be erased using the electrical signals. So this is called EEPROM. Okay. Next part we'll go to, that is secondary memory. What is secondary memory? Secondary memory, first of all, I will discuss that is what is secondary memory. Secondary memory is called the auxiliary memory also. Secondary memory also is called auxiliary memory. This memory is slower than the primary memory. The data or instruction is stored permanently. Okay, the CPU does not directly access this memory. This content of secondary memory need to be first moved to the main memory for the CPU to access. Clear? There are secondary memory storage device are two types. Let me see. That is secondary memory. Also there are two types. First one, internal. Okay. First one, what is that? Internal storage device. And second one, external. Okay. So first one, secondary memory, also there are two types, internal storage device and external storage device. What is internal storage device and what is external storage device? Okay, internal storage device like a hard disk. Okay, like a hard disk. That is the internal storage device. Okay, hard disk means what? That is, we know that the CPU, we know it is the present inside the CPU. It is present inside the CPU of the computers. It stores large amount of data. Okay. So next, what is that? External storage device. External storage device also. This device are used to externally in the computers. Some common example also it is there, like a CD, DVD. Okay, CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, etc. So this is the pen drive, etc. Okay, so this is all are the external storage device. So today that much only. So I hope everybody, all the students, you understand already. Okay, so today we will discuss, that is already discussed, that is type of computers memory. There are two types, primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory, there are two types, RAM, ROM, and secondary memory also there are two types. Okay, internal storage device and external storage device. Okay, so I hope all the students you understand. Okay, so thank you.